This video is going to show you how to use a new tool for Google Slides that allows you to insert pre-made diagrams. There are 5 types of diagrams: hierarchy, timeline, process, relationship, and cycle. Let's start with a hierarchy. Once you click Insert, it shows you the 5 different types that you can add. If you click on the type, it shows you the pre-made templates. For hierarchy, you've got a choice between 3, 4, and 5 levels. Each different style of diagram might offer you a different set of numbers. You can try one out, see what it looks like, and if that looks like too much or too little, you can change the number. One of the nice things is these are just lines and shapes and text boxes that someone has pre-built for you. You can still go in and change what they look like. You could add a thicker line to the outside, and you could change the color. You could also change the color of the lines if you would like. You can also extend the distance in between them. You can even shift things a little bit. So still a lot of options. Let's go ahead and look at the timeline. One of the nice things about this is that you can still add videos or images if you would like. So if we wanted to add a photo of the Sears Tower, we could put that above this text box that we changed to say Sears Tower. If we look at the process box, sometimes these might not be big enough for what you want to see, and you can change that. One thing you might need to do before trying to change it is the title box might take up a lot of space and interfere with you resizing this. So first you want to click on and resize the title box. You might even need to move it up out of the way a little bit. Then what you'll need to do is click somewhere outside of the diagram that you can click and start to drag, and make sure that you've covered at least part of every element that makes up the diagram. Once you let go, you'll see that it has highlighted every single part of the diagram, and you can now click inside there and move it. You can also drag this out to make the entire thing bigger. You can do the same thing with one of the relationship styles. Okay, there's an example of this box getting in the way. So let's see if we can move that out of the way. And you don't have to grab every single part of every element. It just has to be overlapping part of every element. Now you can see that it didn't grab this, and I can go in and shrink this down if I would like. Another neat thing you could do with something like the cycle diagram is if I wanted to make copies of this, I've now got 4 slides. What I could do is, if I clicked on this entire second box, I could then delete it. Then I could go to the next one. And this way, you create a slide presentation that just reveals one step in the cycle at a time. This video has shown you the new Insert Pre-Made Diagrams tool for Google Slides. Hopefully, you're thinking of some ways that you can use this tool in your classroom.